Happy Monday, everybody. Good to see you. Hotter than hell here today. So we did pickleball at 8:30. I think it was 30 degrees when we finished at 10:30. Crazy here in Ottawa. I'm sure across the globe everything's too warm. Anyways, gonna do that, do this live, and then I'm gonna do my strength workout. I think I'm doing core today. But we're gonna unpack zone 2 training today. So over the weekend, one of my team members sent me her Fitbit stats on her walk, and I thought, oh my god, I should talk to my team about targets for your cardio workouts. It's important to listen to your body and work up slowly, but we're going to talk about where you ultimately want to end up at. Okay, so zone 2 cardio training is super important, particularly in menopause. It can improve the mitochondrial function, which is like the powerhouse of your cell. It's a very core of the cell, and that will enhance fat burning and give you more energy. Also, cardiovascular training will help reduce stress, and we know cortisol increases as we get older, and it will help manage insulin. We tend to get insulin resistant as we age, so this cardio work is going to help improve that too. So really powerful for us, improving our energy, helping us burn fat. And we're going to train in zone 2. Now, what that refers to is your heart rate. And we're going to talk about how to calculate it. Zone 2, you're working at 60 to 70% of your heart rate max, or it's also referred to as conversational cardio. So you can still carry on a conversation fairly easily. Okay, so this is how you're going to calculate it. Super easy. You take 220, subtract your age. From that number, you multiply by 0.6 or 60%, and you multiply by 0.7 or 70% to give you the lower and higher range of your target. So let's walk through an example. So I'm going to do mine. So 220 minus, I'll be 62 this month, so I'll say 62. So that's 158. So times 60% is 95. So my lower heart rate target is 95, and the upper is going to be 220 minus 62, 158 times 70%, or 110. So 95 at the lower end, 110 at the higher end. So I want to train in that space. Okay. And walking is really good, you guys. Biking, rowing, but more lower intensity, so you're not putting your body under so much stress, because we already know our cortisol could be high, so we want to keep that stress level manageable. All right. How often? Okay, so we want to do this type of training 150 minutes a week. Okay, 30 to 45 minutes at a time, and so let's say 5 days a week at 30 minutes, you want to train to this level. And then that gives you 2 other days for your strength training, right? You want at least 2 days of resistance training. That's imperative for our muscle mass and our bone health. So that's it in a nutshell. Let me know if you've got questions. Hope this helps somebody, and tag me if you have questions, put it in the comments, and I'll be sure to reach out to you. Have a good day.